Poppy!
Whoa! Yes, it's going to be ideal for me and Poppy tonight. Poppy's masked descent for the hunt, covered in cow. Pat. What have you got all over you? Hey! Oh my god. Should be having a bath in the stream now. Right, bushcrafty one tonight. Got the reindeer skin. Got axes and saws. I was gonna go by here, but it's not very flat, is it? Might have to go out in the grass. Just have the fire here. Let's have a look. So I've got the new version Smokey Hut to try. Excited about some of the features. Comes with like a ground sheet inside. I haven't put this up yet. The Smokey Hut hot tent. Well, this thing is big. I think it's 3.2 meters across. Ample space for me and the dog tonight. That's nice and easy. Plastic. Done. Right, let me show you this while it's still light. We haven't got much light left. Really big looking thing. The reindeer skin. This would be ideal in the winter now. We could have 3 or 4 people sitting here. The wood burner this side. Look how big it is. My rucksack there. Oh. Yes, it's going to be ideal for me and Poppy tonight. Love the ground sheet. So I'll sleep here, she can sleep behind me. Yeah, 2 people, easy sleeping, huh? He's in the Terra Nova Pioneer 2. He's in the Berghaus Peak 3.2 Pro. Here's the base. Got a lot of wood, but it's so wet. So next, these were like super dry last time I come up here, but sod them now. Chuck's up big so. Bobby, move. Bobby, move. Come here. Move. Go. Bobby. Whoa. So half of it down. Timber. Good echo in here, mate.
Oh,
Timber! I put a fat wood for the base. Get it going. Oh, have a sniff of that poppy. Smells absolutely. Smell that. Oh, beautiful, isn't it? If only they invented smell-o-vision and I could share this with you. Smells like a pine car air freshener. This is the Hultafors chisel knife. Sharp at the front for digging. And sharp at the side, obviously. A little bit of fluff. Get it going. And then Nathan has brought up some little pre-chopped bits. So it'll be going straight on. Some little curly bits on there as well, is there? Right, chicken balti.
was that from a boot sale?
From a boot sale. Home bargains, actually. No, it's good stuff, sis. And then pilau rice, huh?
We got chicken in there, is it?
Chicken, yeah. Chicken a little bit. Mine just like ready cooked stuff, so go warm it up.
Yeah, warm it up. It's a bit quicker to cook, isn't it?
Chicken balti.
Oh, off my nut. I sure didn't know where it was.
Couple
You
of
know
reindeer
when you're
hairs
that
in there.
drunk, like.
Yeah. Oh, I know the feeling.
Oh, I know when to go out. I know when to
I
stay
know
in.
when to stay in. Get those garlic mushrooms on, man. Good day, Bobby. They look good.
Poppy, it's no food. Move.
Couple of jazzles out. There's no V in it. Right, some potatoes going on here. And Nathan's doing some ham, I think.
Gammon.
Gammon.
Ham.
Yeah.
Horse ham.
Posh ham.
Horse ham.
Fire is
Gammon's thick ham, isn't it?
bumbling away,
Struggling.
but it's doing right. It's going. Shot in the dark. Gigantic steak.
The thick old coat.
Let's have a look at your steak then.
It's a steak. It looks like chicken.
There's the tomato sauce, man.
It's a moo-moo.
Redoing the fire. The wood was a bit too wet, so we've split it down super fine. So
Give it a
looking
chance,
better.
innit? See that go from there.
All this stuff was drying out, but it's still soaking, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it wasn't enough effort put into the original fire, like, guys.
Oh, look at it.
Unless you go to
Huh? Oh, that's a bit right.
There you go.
what?
Sugar on. A few more knots now.
This one's not going to break as easy.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
SpaghettiOs.
11%.
11. Oh my god.
That's coming rocket fuel.
What's it called?
Ginger Ninja Latte.
Ginger Ninja.
Oh, I'm ginger.
Watong.
Gingerbread latte. I've had this before, so
I'm a ginger man. Come and chase me.
Latte.
£5.50 in Tesco's.
Oof. Think that. Mark's out 10. Lot of
Way
thought.
better than Vocation.
Oh, come on.
Way better than Vocation.
You
No,
can't knock the
give,
vocation.
For me, that's a nice drop. It's like, I give that 8.5.
Getting off. That's pretty good.
Have a sip, Mush. That's better than Vocation. You can't tell me any different than that.
Ah, that is good.
Knocks out of Vocation.
It's very good.
Bleep.
Oh, it's going to be 9.5.
Yeah, I've had dogs, windows and stuff.
God, it doesn't taste that strong, mind.
You can't taste 11%, can you?
That's
Dangerous,
nice.
huh?
That's dangerous stuff.
As
Right?
Garlic would say, he'll take your face for it.
Smokey Hut done well. Enjoyed using this actually. Really spacious. Ended up putting my airbed here. Poppy had this, but it was a waste because she just ended up sleeping on the floor. You could have another person this side, mind. It's good just for one. I've just realised now you can open this door as well. Look. There won't be much left of the tent. You just have 2 panels and 2 panels there. That'll be gone as well. Be nice and open, no? Droof has done the cleaning job. Fire pit gone. Wood for the next person. Good morning. Well, I should stay up till 10:30 last night. Oof. Little break with an energy drink that sorted me out. Yeah, I got a thing about crashing out really early at the moment, so I'm proud of that. 10:30. Yeah, nice sleep. Everything's packed down. Just about good to go. Thank you for watching. Catch you again soon.